No! Don't you hit me. You're such a baby. You're a baby.
Can you give me kisses? Give me a kiss. You don't want to give me a kiss? Why?
As you guys can tell, my dog is very pissed because he knows I'm talking about him, and he knows he has a fat ass, and I don't know what to do about it because I don't think there's anything to shrink it. It's so damn big and juicy. Like, I just want to touch it, like, so much. Like, can I touch it? Ah. Let me touch it.
Are you in the jacuzzi? Are you in the jacuzzi all by yourself?
I love my kitty cat, yes I do. I love my kitty cat, oh I do. And all I want to do is...
It's the dream.
Be like, ooh, ooh, my life be like.